Here we are again with another budget keyboard build. This is the Rebel60 V2 and it's a 60% gasket mounted stacked acrylic keyboard. This board feels really similar to the MW65 that I built not too long ago. Building it was another pain in the ass. There was no manual and there was a ton of peeling to do. It wasn't too difficult for me because I've built the MW65 before, so I kinda know how it works. Oh yeah, this entire build only cost me around $100. Just another beginner friendly keyboard I can recommend. And as amazed as I am when I completed the MW65, this Rebel60 V2 looks amazing. The acrylic layers have a matte finish unlike the glossy finish on the MW65, which is a good thing because the glossy finish catches fingerprints very often but this doesn't. But I hate to say it, the best part about this board is the RGB. I was never the RGB person, but this keyboard's RGB slaps. Sound-wise, very similar to the MW65, just slightly clackier. This is the typing sound test with my favorite linear switches, the KTT Peach.